What up, guys? It's Alex here, and it's Deja, and it's Aiden behind the camera.
What's up?
And we're going to be doing a fidget spinner video today, and Aiden has a fidget spinner. Show him your fidget. Right there. I have one, and Deja is using the Elizabeth's pink one that's right here. Right there. And we're going to be doing a fidget spinner video, showing you guys like what tricks we can do with the fidget spinners. We might be going outside to do the fidget spinner tricks too, so let's get it off.
So it might be an inside/outside video.
Alright, so my first trick will be just bouncing on the thumb. Aiden, let's see yours. Doing it bouncing on your thumb. Boom.
And also look at that.
Looks pretty cool. Alright, let's go outside. Alright, he's doing it with Elizabeth. Boom, let's go. We spin it, Aiden?
What the?
That looks so weird. Hold up. Spin it again, Aiden. Look at that. Hold up. Let's give it a light and then spin it. Respin it.
Wait, hold on.
Bring it up to the camera, though. Is it going fast?
Yeah.
Look at that. Guys, look, you can even see it's going fast. That thing's going really fast.
And it's still going.
Whoa, look at that.
It's gone.
Oh,
It stopped spinning. Beyblade.
Bring it to me, bring it to me, bring it to me. Oh, snap. Whoa.
It's going really fast. Look, it's vibrating.
Whoa, look at that. It looks like it's just going 3.
It looks like Baymax's face inside
True,
of them.
it does. Oh, that's a beautiful shot right there. Alright, so that's been it for this video. Please like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more. It's been Aiden and Alex. Peace.